In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox error 524, where it says you don't have permission to join this experience. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this could be happening to you on your iPhone, Android, Samsung, or literally any device. So all you want to do, if that's ever happening and it's stopping you from playing a lot of the games you're trying to join, you want to go to More on the bottom right, scroll down until you see Settings. So click on that. Then go to account info. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and change your age if you're obviously above that age. But basically, if you're under 13 years old, it might not let you play a lot of games. So what you want to do is either make a parental account with your parents' permission, where they can basically allow you to play certain games, or if your age is incorrect and you want to increase it above 13, you could go ahead and do that by changing your birthday and then going ahead and verifying it as well. Then you want to go out of this section, go over to privacy and content restrictions like so. Now from here, what you want to do is go to content maturity. And if your content maturity is on minimal, all you want to do is slide it to moderate or restricted. And that should definitely help as well. The final thing I'd recommend doing is going to visibility on private servers, then going to visibility. And if your online status is on no one, switch to everyone. And that's it. Then you should be good to go. Restart Roblox and then it should let you in games again. But it's really important that you do all those different steps to fix this error. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.